Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit an answer on Quora. For this guys, you just need to open up your Quora application as I have already opened this. Now guys, you just need to click on pencil icon over here. Now here you can see the multiple questions and you just need to answer it. I'm going to answer this question first. How do you say happy birthday in Hindi? And click on the post button. See, your answer has been posted. Now guys, for edit this, you just need to click on the three dot icon. Over here you can see the multiple options. For edit the answer, you just need to click on the edit answer. Now I'm going to edit it and I'm adding the emoji also and hit the post button at the top right of your screen. See guys, your answer has been updated. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.